welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court allows center's application to disburse rupees 5,000 crore from SEBI Sahara account to depositors. Supreme Court directs Jammu and Kashmir High Court Registry to file response on plea alleging favoritism in appointments in courts. Gujarat High Court website to have translated judgments and orders of Supreme Court in Gujarati. Bihar YouTuber Manish Kashyap sent to 3 days police custody for spreading fake videos of attack on migrants. Every death of a patient cannot be considered medical negligence, says NCDRC. Now let's have a detailed look on the headlines. A bench of Justices M.R. Shah and B.V. Nagaratna of the Supreme Court allowed an application by the central government to disburse 5,000 crore rupees to be transferred to the Central Registrar of Cooperative Societies, who in turn shall disburse the same against the legitimate dues of the depositors of the Sahara Group of Cooperative Societies. The Apex Court also stated that the process of disbursement be supervised and monitored by former Supreme Court Judge Justice R. Subhash and amicus curiae Gaurav Agarwal. The Supreme Court bench headed by CJI D.Y. Chandrachud directed the Registrar General of the Jammu and Kashmir High Court to file its response to a plea alleging the relatives of former judges and staff were being favored in the appointments in judicial institutions and courts in the Union Territory. The bench also comprised of Justices P.S. Narasimha and J.B. Pardiwala, who along with the CJI decided to hear the plea and asked the High Court to submit response in 4 weeks' time. After Kerala, Bombay, Delhi and Allahabad High Courts, the Gujarat High Court website will now be having a dedicated section containing judgments and orders of the Supreme Court translated to Gujarati with the use of artificial intelligence. The announcement was made by the High Court by issuing a circular stating that there will be a new section on the homepage of the High Court's website, and the translation of Gujarati version of orders or judgments through a software mechanism developed by the IT cell of the High Court would be directly uploaded on the website. YouTuber from Bihar Manish Kashyap was sent to 3 days police custody after being presented before a local court in Madurai for allegedly spreading fake videos of attacks on migrant workers in Tamil Nadu. The crime branch of Madurai had registered a case against Kashyap, and a special team of police arrested him from Bihar. Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu M.K. Stalin denied the allegations of harassment made by Kashyap in his video that garnered thousands of views, and also reassured Bihar CM Nitish Kumar that workers from Bihar were not targeted in Tamil Nadu. A bench of presiding member S.M. Kantikar of the National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission said that unless there is material on record, every death of a patient cannot prima facie be considered to be medical negligence. The remark comes while the NCDRC was hearing appeals filed by 2 hospitals in Jaipur against the order of the Rajasthan State Consumer Commission that had directed the hospitals to pay compensation to the deceased family. The NCDRC set aside the order passed by the State Commission that held the hospitals responsible for negligence, carelessness, and not providing due care to the deceased patient. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.